I'm glad you made it. Yes, so I'm going to show you today this little global knife. I hold it up against the angle, against that toolbar there, just to make sure that I'm sort of at a 90-degree angle to the entire blade. Then, yeah, I'm just checking to see everything's... Oh, where is the angle guide? There it is. Okay, get it in. Check it. So I'm gonna go for a 19-degree angle here. Just about. So between 19 and 20, like always. I find that my chefs get a lot more longevity out of the knives. Over there, here we go. Just running it. These guys are high carbon, and they tend to crack or chip. Tend to chip. Very easy if we go with a much steeper angle. So the 20 keeps it for us. I'm just feeling for the burr there. Putting a nice slow. Yeah, very soft, and checking to get that burr all across, yeah, all around. Nice soft pass, just to make sure that burr is flipped and ready to go. So now we're moving on to the 320 equivalent, the Trizact. 3M Trizact belt. Again, like always, this is just starting the polish and getting the scratch pattern nice and smooth. Essentially the bevel is there, but the knife is technically sharp. It'll cut the tomato like the champion, but you just want to get a nice smooth cut in there. Nice and softly on the passes there. And one more, I think, should do it on the 320. What do we look like? Over on one tiny quick one, and just flip the burr over. Very soft on this. No, almost no pressure. Going down. Yep. Let's put on next belt. This is the 6 to 800 grit. Yeah, we usually do about 2 passes on each side. Oh, like always, I think that's 2 to 3 depending on what it looks like. And flip it over. Oh, what do we got? Nice and smooth. Just loosening that burr, very light pass. And I find just doing that light little flipping of the burr just loosens it. Here we go, onto the 1200, and getting nice silky smooth polished edge on there. Again, this is essentially done. I am just moving, just getting the burr. Let's see what we've got. Get a piece of paper. And oh yes, that's without having the burr removed.
No stropping.
Let's scrape it off there on the little cloth canvas belt. A few swipes on the leather belt. There's some compound on there, but not much. I should probably put a little bit more compound on there. Just double checking. Oh, there's a little chip or a little scratches in there. Just try and work that off. I mean, that belt only polishes really. You can remove serious metal with it also, but it needs needs to stay on there for a while. Let's put it on the strop. That's got some white compound on there. Again, that's my clothing belts that I buy from the charity shops. That's just to make sure to see all the burr gone. Get that little piece of paper. Oh, like butter. I go very softly, and I feel if there's any little nicks in the paper. So it's nice to go whoop and cut the page like but you want to feel if there is something. There seems to be a little. These guys, like I say, the global knives, they like chipping, but they do keep an edge. I mean, they are phenomenal blades. Let's just get it on. Now we're just gonna quickly plug in the little dental grinder. I just want to give that a nice soft polish. Maybe just run it there over the abrasive belt, the abrasive wheel. Juice that up. Let's just it's 600, 800 grit Scotch-Brite wheel. Hit it there with the buffing wheel. And let's just see if we've got what we need from it now. So obviously we've now lost that 1,200, taken it down to the 800 because of the Scotch-Brite. It's still, is it there still? Double check. I mean, it goes, when it goes fast, it goes. I think that's good.